Today I'm going to teach you how you can shoot video with your phone and upload directly to your YouTube channel. Remember the last time I taught you how to open a YouTube channel, right? This time I'm here to teach you how you can shoot video with your phone and upload it directly into your YouTube channel and get views. I have decided this time that everybody must chop breakfast.
You say what?
Yes, everybody must taste from the national cake. I want you guys to also make money on social media. Guys, please, if you're watching, endeavor to support us by liking, commenting, and sharing, because that's the only thing that gives us force to do more video. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. Remember, I taught you about an app, right? Good. This app that they call water camera. So I'm going to open it now and make a very short video, and I'll use that video and upload it on YouTube. You're going to see in a few seconds. You see, this is my camera. Now it's facing behind. You see, I'm recording there, right? So I'm just going to rotate the camera if you want to shoot yourself. You see, this is myself, right? You see how beautiful the camera is? This is myself with water camera. Now I'm just going to switch to the video icon. I click the video. You see now that I'm ready to shoot. You guys, you see, right? Immediately, if anything I want to say, I just press record here. Pap, I just press record. Or maybe if you want to use filter, you can just go to where you see filter. You see, you can change from the filter. You see how my color just changed, right? You change from the filter, change from this one, this one, this one, this one. Any filter you want to use, you have it all here. You see, any filter. And if you're set with this filter, let me use this one. Okay, this is me. I'm recording now. Okay, guys, today I'm going to teach you how to shoot a video and upload directly to your YouTube channel. Okay, please make sure you stay glued with us and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Okay, now you're done shooting and it is time for us to upload to our YouTube channel. So what you do is you just go to your phone and click on the YouTube icon. You see this one, right? Just click here like this and you're going to see this home page. On this home page, you're going to see beneath your phone, okay, you're going to see home, you're going to see short and a plus, subscription, and library. I don't know if with Android it appears like this, but for Apple, this is how you're going to see it when you open it with your phone. So you just go immediately to this plus. You see at the middle, you're going to see plus. You click there and it is going to show you if you want to create a short reel, upload a video, go live together, or create a post. You know, on YouTube you can also post pictures on YouTube, post whatever you want to post on YouTube. This is how you do it. So now we want to upload this video on YouTube. So we just go to upload a video. You click upload a video and they are going to ask you where you want to take the video. You click select and this is the video that we just shot, and I'm going to click done. It is going to come here and I'll like try to arrange it, make it beautiful, and put immediately. You see the video is almost done. You see, if I click upload now, this video is going directly to my YouTube channel and you're going to see it. So what you do is you can also add filter. You see here when you're using your phone, you can add filter, you can add sound, you can add text, you can also add voiceover and the rest. I mean, if you're using your phone to upload, not computer, in a computer you will not see all this. You're going to see all this effect if only you're using a phone to upload on YouTube. So if you see like this video now, you want to make sound, you want to put sound over, you just click here and maybe you select any sound and put you're good to go. Let me not put it here because we might have a copyright. So if you want to add text, you just type whatever you want to type. Hello everybody, like you see, hello everybody, this is okay. Now I just added this text here, you see, right? Good. This is the text that I just added, and if I want to delete this text, I just go down like this and delete it. You see, I put it where you see this trash, and boom, it is gone. So now let's move to the next, and you click next. They are going to ask if you need you want to put a title. So coming to title, this one is very important, my people. Always make sure you put title that is well searched. Always go to YouTube. Maybe you want to do video about how to catch a rat. So you just go on YouTube and type how to catch a rat. You see the caption. You get the point. Now we cannot go there because we are using our YouTube channel. We will just write how to catch a rat. You see, that is it. We have it here already. And you're going to, maybe if you want to put hashtag and the rest, you just put hashtag this blah 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 blah, and you just click done. So my people, that is how you can use your phone to upload video into your YouTube channel. Okay guys, that is it for today, and if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please like, comment and share the video, because when you do so, it helps motivate us. That is it. So guys, we are going to see again in our next video, and stay blessed. Bye bye.